You're a new agent and you're about to list your first house, and it might seem pretty straightforward. You snap a few photos, you put some details into the computer, and you're done. But there's a lot more to it than that. We often hear from new agents asking about the complete process of selling a house from start to finish. Well, there are some essential steps involved in listing and selling a property. And in today's video, we're going to walk you through every single step that you need to know as a new agent listing your very first property. Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and thanks for joining me. If you're new here, welcome. We're glad that you found our channel, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you stay updated. Now let's get started. Before meeting clients in person or visiting the property, make sure that you get the address. Whether the lead came from a referral on social media or online advertising, having the address lets you prepare in advance. Conduct some research on comparable properties, run those comps on the MLS, and although you can't set an exact price without seeing the property, look at the sales history, get the correct sellers' names, and check for any issues like liens or restrictive covenants. This preparation ensures that you're ready with your listing presentation and data. Understanding the property's background is crucial. By obtaining the address early, you can spend time researching the neighborhood, identifying key selling points, and preparing questions for the owners. This proactive approach sets you up for a successful first meeting and demonstrates your commitment to providing excellent service. It's about showing your clients that you're thorough and you're ready to go the extra mile. And additionally, preparing ahead of time allows you to create a more tailored marketing strategy, which can significantly impact the success of your listing. The next step is the actual meet and greet. Building rapport is so crucial. You get to meet the clients and their property and have them show you around. They know their home best, so let them share what they love and any quirks about the home. During the meet and greet, it's important to listen actively and take notes. Understand what their motivations are for selling and any concerns that they might have. Use this time to build some trust and really establish a connection. And after the tour, sit down and go through your listing presentation. This is where you get to discuss what sets you apart as a real estate expert from the rest. Explain how your social media marketing strategies, including professional photography and targeted online ads, are going to attract the right buyers. Then go over the comparables and talk about the list price, the list date, and the overall listing process. Set clear expectations. That's absolutely essential. Your goal is to leave this meeting with a clear understanding of what their needs are and a plan for moving forward. Show them examples of past successes and explain how your approach will help their home stand out in the market. This initial meeting is also an opportunity to establish yourself as an expert in the local market, providing insights into recent trends and what buyers are looking for. Now, on to signing the documents. Before moving forward, ensure that all necessary documents are signed. This includes the exclusive seller listing agreement, which ensures you're the sole agent representing them and confirms how you're going to get paid. Discuss material, latent defects, and outline everything with the commission structure very clearly. Getting these documents signed is more than just a formality. It's about establishing a professional relationship based on ultimate transparency and trust. Explain each document carefully to the clients, ensuring that they understand their rights and obligations. Address any of their questions or concerns that they might have about the process. It's also a good time to discuss any legal requirements and ensure that the clients are aware of their responsibilities in this transaction. This thorough approach not only protects you legally, but also builds your credibility and trustworthiness with your clients. Now start scheduling everything. Here we go. It's time for hands-on work. Schedule your professional photos and don't rely on your iPhone or your smartphone for this. Hire a professional real estate photographer to showcase the home's best features. Schedule room measurements, sign installation, and install a lockbox for agent access. And for luxury properties, consider additional marketing materials like property videos or single property websites. In addition to scheduling these tasks, communicate with your clients about the timeline and what to expect. Keep them informed about when the photographer will be there, when the sign will go up, and any other preparations that they need to do beforehand. This ensures that they feel involved and it reduces any anxiety that they might have about the whole process. Being organized and communicative during these steps shows your professionalism and dedication to a very smooth selling experience. It's also helpful to provide your clients with tips on how to prepare their home for the photo shoot, ensuring that their property looks its best. This can include advice on decluttering, maybe some staging, and making minor repairs or touch-ups. Next, get it listed on the MLS. You get to gather all the details from the sellers about their property, from the number of bedrooms to included appliances. Everything needs to be accurately listed on the MLS. This ensures potential buyers that they have all the information that they need. Listing on the MLS is a critical step that requires attention to detail. Work closely with your clients to ensure every aspect of their home is accurately represented. This includes details like square footage, recent renovations, and unique features that make their home stand out. A comprehensive and accurate listing attracts serious buyers and sets the stage for successful showings. Take the time to review the listing with your clients, making sure that they're satisfied with how their property is presented. And a well-crafted MLS listing should also highlight the key selling points of the property and the benefits of living in the neighborhood, painting a vivid picture for potential buyers. Make sure that the sellers have completed their seller's disclosures and add those to your online listing as well. Now we're going live. Hit that active button and go live with your listing. Show off those professional photos and any other marketing content you've created. Your listing is now visible to everybody on the MLS. And when your listing goes live, it's an exciting moment. So make sure to celebrate the milestone with your clients and reassure them that you are now entering the critical phase of attracting potential buyers. Share the listing on social media platforms, through your professional networks, and maximize its visibility. And send your sellers the link to their online listing and ask them to share it with everyone that they know everywhere. Make sure you friend your clients on the social platforms so that you can tag them each time you post about their home. And keep an eye on the activity and be ready to respond to any inquiries really quickly. This proactive approach helps maintain momentum, and it shows your clients that you are committed to getting their home sold. Don't stop at just listing the property on the MLS. You need to actively market it. Share the listing on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms. Use paid advertising and post property on Facebook and other relevant sites. Consistent and proactive marketing is key to getting the property sold. By staying proactive and adaptive, you ensure the property remains top of mind for potential buyers. Additionally, you need to consider hosting virtual tours and live Q&A sessions so that you engage with prospective buyers who might not be able to visit the property in person. This not only broadens your reach, but it also showcases your adaptability and your commitment to providing exceptional service to your sellers. Discuss showing schedules. Once the listing is live, buyers are going to start requesting showings. So scheduling showings is a critical part of the process. Coordinate with your clients to find convenient times and make sure that the property is always in top condition for viewings. After each showing, follow up with the buyer's agent to get their feedback. This information is invaluable for keeping your sellers informed and making any needed adjustments to their home and your strategy. Keep your clients updated with regular reports on feedback and interest levels. This transparency is really going to help build trust, and it's going to show your dedication to selling their home. Additionally, use that feedback to refine your marketing strategy. Emphasize aspects of the property that resonated well with those potential buyers. When you receive an offer, it will include details like the offer price, possession date, and any other buyer conditions. Review these carefully and prepare to negotiate. Receiving offers is an exciting but delicate stage. Present each offer to your clients promptly and then walk them through the details. You get to discuss the pros and the cons of each offer, considering not just the price, but also the terms and the conditions. And be prepared to negotiate on their behalf to get the best possible deal. Additionally, help your clients understand the market conditions and how they might impact the negotiation process, providing them with a realistic perspective on what to expect. Negotiation is where your skills are going to shine. Work to agree on the possession date, final sale price, and conditions, and aim to get the best possible price for your sellers while ensuring a very smooth process. Negotiation is definitely an art. Use your knowledge of the market and your understanding of the buyer's motivations to craft a strategy that benefits your clients. Remember to keep your clients informed on every step. explaining the rationale behind each decision and strategy. This transparency is not only building trust, but it also empowers your clients to make great informed decisions. Satisfy any conditions and timelines. Once an offer is accepted, the buyer has a set amount of time to meet any conditions. Keep your clients updated on the buyer's progress, and if any issues arise, be ready to address them promptly. During this phase, communication is super important. Stay in close contact with the buyer's agent and ensure that all the conditions are being met on schedule. If any issues arise, address them quickly and keep the deal on track. And this might really involve some coordinating inspections, appraisals, and financial approvals. Your role is to facilitate these processes and keep your clients informed and reassured. Additionally, work with your clients to ensure any conditions on their side are also being met, such as completing any necessary repairs or providing additional documentation. Coordinate with all parties involved, including the buyer's agent, to confirm that everything is in place for your smooth closing. Keep your clients informed about what to expect on closing day and any final steps that they need to take. Additionally, provide your clients with a checklist of tasks to complete before closing, such as arranging for their utilities to be transferred and scheduling the final walkthrough. This helps them feel more organized and it reduces stress as the closing date approaches. The buyer's final walkthrough. Before closing, the buyers will do a final walkthrough to ensure that the property is relatively in the same condition as it was when they made the offer. Ensure that your clients understand the importance of this step and that they need to address any issues promptly. The final walkthrough is a critical step for the buyers to verify that the property is in the condition that they agreed upon. Advise your clients to address any minor repairs or cleaning tasks before this walkthrough. Being proactive about these details can prevent last-minute delays or negotiations. Ensure that personal items not included in the sale are removed from the property is clean, and it's ready for those new owners. This attention to detail helps facilitate a smooth transition, and it leaves a positive impression on the new buyers. Now celebrate this moment with your clients, acknowledging their journey and your role in helping them achieve their goals. This final step marks successful completion of the transaction and the beginning of a new chapter for those buyers. Additionally, provide your clients with a summary of the closing process and what to expect, ensuring that they're going to feel supported and informed through this final step. Additionally, consider sending a personalized thank you note or a small gift to show your appreciation for their business. This thoughtful gesture can leave a lasting impression and strengthen your relationship with your clients. But don't stop here. The real estate industry is dynamic and ever-changing. Stay ahead by continuously learning and adapting. Attend workshops, read industry publications, and seek some mentorship from experienced agents. Staying informed about market trends, new technologies, and best practices will really help provide you the best service to your clients to help you grow your business. And as you gain more experience, reflect on each transaction and identify areas that you can improve. Seek feedback from clients and colleagues to understand your strengths and also the areas that you need some growth, because this commitment to your continuous improvement will help you build a successful career in real estate. Additionally, consider joining professional organizations and networking groups to stay connected with industry peers and learn from their experiences. This can provide valuable insights and opportunities for collaboration and growth. Also, learn how to build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for real estate professionals. Invest time in building a website and maintaining active profiles on all your social media platforms. Share valuable content regularly, such as market updates, home buying tips, and success stories. Engage with your audience by responding to their comments and messages promptly. And a strong online presence is going to help you reach a wider audience and establish yourself as a trusted expert in your field. Now, diving into networking and referrals. Networking is a powerful tool for real estate agents. Attend industry events where you can join business groups and connect with other professionals in your area. Networking is more than just exchanging business cards. Take the time to really build meaningful relationships with other professionals, such as mortgage brokers, home inspectors, and contractors. These connections can provide valuable insights and resources for your clients, which is going to overall enhance your service altogether. This proactive approach helps you stand out as a knowledgeable and reliable real estate professional. And that's it, folks. 16 steps to successfully sell a house, and there's a lot more to it than just listing on the MLS. Be proactive, stay involved, and communicate effectively throughout the process. We hope you found this video helpful. And if you'd like to know more about selling homes, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel here so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and follow me on all of my socials. And if you liked this video, then make sure that you hit the like button down below and click on the other boxes on the screen to see my other videos. And if you have any comments or questions, put them down below and I'll answer all of them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. We love what we do and we want you to love what you do too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.